I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Actions Salesflare. Give here the API key, so go to the Salesflare site. Click on the plus button and give a meaningful name. Create. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to your Salesflare site. And you can see that the data came successfully in Salesflare. Thanks for watching.